Should you install your motorcycle audio system yourself or should you pay a professional?
Okay, let's go.
That's a tough question. There's some shitty shops out there and there's some talented people out there. So the question is really a personal opinion, right? If you go to a quality shop, go in, ask to see their work, ask for a demo of something that they've done, see if they got a demo bike there, and look at their social media so you can see the quality. If they're posting pictures of behind the scenes, it's good work. So if you vet the shop and you know that they're good, then, I'd go with the shop. The big thing is two things. One, tuning the DSP. I won't tune a DSP that someone else installed the equipment on because the install directly correlates the end result of that DSP. So if you want a DSP tuned properly, you need to come to a professional shop. Most shops that I know won't touch it unless they did the whole install. Because the issue is, we're not trying to be assholes. The issue is if we do a tune and you made a mistake, you didn't seal something right, a speaker's out of phase, whatever it is, we either spend extra time trying to figure it out, banging our head against the wall when we quoted you 2 hours or whatever we quoted you, or that tune doesn't come out as good as we want, but it's not our fault. But people aren't going to tell people in the future, like, oh, who tuned this? I've seen better. Oh, Act Audio did, right? They're not going to say, Act Audio did, but I did my own install and I made a mistake, right? They may not even know any better. So I want to control the end result of all the product that goes out of my door. I'm going to do the whole thing. I had a customer the other day, this was on a car. He wanted me to just help him and make a couple connections for his amp and sub, and he would do the rest, and he'd have it started. He wanted to make some connections, and he'd do the rest. Sorry, we don't do that. I'm either all in or I'm not in. I lifetime warranty my work and my workmanship, and I take pride in my outcome, so I want to control it 100%. If you have a problem, you come back to me 100%. It's my problem if it's to do with the workmanship and the equipment if I supplied it. I've seen some very talented people that can do great work and better than some of the shitty shops that I see, to be honest. But I also see some people that are very confident, and I'm sorry if I'm talking about you, very confident in what they do, but they're not doing a good job. I'm gonna embed a picture into this video. This is a car. Guy came to me the other day, we were talking about speakers, and he said, well, I know how to do the wiring, I just don't understand the technical stuff. Well, I went out to his car and looked at it, and here's a picture of what it looked like. So he was confident in what he does, but you can see, there was awful ground. There was a bolt holding the wires together. It was one of the worst installs I've ever seen, but he was very confident in what he did. The big thing is, at the end of the day, it's not a ton of labor to pay someone to do it in the grand scheme of things. So our average stage 2, is $2,700 and about 600 of that's labor. The rest is product. When we install it, we're going to give you a worry-free install. We're going to tune it. We're going to warranty it. All the equipment on that bike, we back the warranty. Cicada's 2 years, Diamond's 2 years, Hertz, I got 3 years, so I'm backing the warranty. So in those 2 to 3 years and beyond with the labor, you come back to me and we take care of it. So there's a lot of value in that $600. I guess $600 is $600, but you're going to get a professional install, a warranty on the work, a warranty on the equipment, because most companies will offer that extended warranty when it's installed and purchased by an authorized dealer. So if you go online and you buy it from one of the websites, they might offer 30-day warranty or 1-year warranty. I don't know. They're all different. But you bring it to me, you have to go back to that online company. So we had a customer recently. We bought it from Amazon. We installed it. 45 days later, the unit went bad. And Amazon said, sorry, 30-day warranty. And Clarion said, sorry, only honor our warranty if it's purchased from an authorized seller, not Amazon. And that's another video I've made too. So you want to purchase it and have it installed by a professional company, in my opinion. Do you need professional install? I think it's worth the money, personally. One, you're saving time. So let's say you can go to work and you're going to, you can make more money sometimes spending time with your family. Unless you enjoy it, that's different. but there's a lot of value in paying someone else to do the work. But we're also going to add the warranty. You're never going to have to stress that you can't figure it out, right? So if something goes wrong and you can't figure out what it is, troubleshooting, we charge $140 an hour. So the other day we installed the remote start. The install took us 90 minutes. We had to troubleshoot the damn thing. It took us 3 hours. It was ridiculous. And that happens, especially when you bring it to a shop and they got to troubleshoot your work and they got to backtrack everything you did. Troubleshooting takes way longer than the install. So if you make a mistake or something goes wrong and you need a troubleshot, you don't have a warranty because you did it. It can cost you just as much as the install, and then you don't have a warranty. So things to think about, you know. Let's hear why I'm right or why I'm wrong. I want to hear some stories. Let me hear it. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe. I want to also get some more topics for other videos.